welcome to today's video. So we are at Hollywood Studios. It's 5 minutes to 3, so essentially 3 o'clock. So we've got 6 hours in the park today. Been stacking all day. We did Genie Plus again just because we knew we were coming in late and taking our day. So park's open till 9. Gonna try and do everything we can. I already have 2 or 3. I have to check. And then I have another one that I can book at 3:01. So yeah, I think I have 3 already, about to book number 4. So it's 3 o'clock, we're in the park, and yeah, totally glad we got Genie Plus because just looked at some of the lines and it's like 95 minutes, 85 minutes, 65 minutes. So totally glad we got Genie Plus, totally worth it. You know, it allows us to enjoy our morning, enjoy, relax, feels more like a vacation, and then we can come and not have to deal with the lines. Yes, we pay more money, but to us it's worth it. Plus we only have 1 kid, so it's a lot easier. So gonna head now to Tower of Terror, then Rock and Roller Coaster, and then Mickey and Minnie's.
And I've seen the crowds worse, but they're pretty dense. So now we're headed to Rock and Roller Coasters. This is good, getting use of my first 2 lightning lanes, and I think we'll be able to pick another one after this.
So we just got off Rock and Roller Coaster. It was like a 120-minute wait. It took us 40 minutes with our lightning lane. So something was obviously wrong with the ride. So it's now down to 90 minutes, and it seemed like it was running a little better when we left. But yeah, it took a little longer than we expected.
And it's definitely, like I said, it's a full day.
And Daisy's out today.
6 months.
Hi, Daisy.
There's your present right there. Daisy.
Whose present is it, Daisy? Oh, it's yours. Oh. What do you think's inside?
I don't know. The shape reminds me of like a puzzle. So
Maybe it's a puzzle. Hopefully it's Joe. Yeah, I think it might be a little bit big for a ring. Maybe it's a really big necklace. Love it, love it. See, Shane, it's a really big ring. So Chip and Dale are over there, so we're gonna go say hi to Chip and Dale too.
Okay, go ahead. Chip and Dale.
Which one is that one, Ryder? Look at his nose, look at his nose. Chip! Chip! It's like a chocolate chip.
50-50 chance.
Okay, turn around, Ryder. Okay, ready? Say Merry Christmas.
Okay, so seeing the characters took us a little longer. So our lightning lane was 3:20 to 4:20, and it's 4:15. So yes, you have a 15-minute window, but I try not to do that. Okay, it's an 80-minute wait, and that's the lightning lane. Ouch.
So this is the line for the lightning lane.
Do you have anything better to do?
Ouch. So if that's...
Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
So Mickey and Minnie's was great, and the line was not. It moved pretty fast. So they moved the. It looked bad, and it was, you know, obviously longer than it normally is, but it moved really fast. So now we're headed to Rise of the Resistance, but we may get a drink first. I don't know. So Goofy's out. Oh, so the lines for the drinks were too long. So we're gonna go to Rise of the Resistance now. Maybe we'll get a drink somewhere else. But gotta stick to, it's the downside of having all the lightning lanes is that you're limited as far as time is concerned.
Be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters.
You've been captured by the First Order. Everyone off, now.
You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance. Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on deck. I know.
So Rise of the Resistance was awesome. Most of it was working. Obviously the guns don't work anymore, but it is 5:25 now, and The next lightning lane that we have is for Slinky Dog Dash at 5:50, and which means we can get in there at 5:45. So we're gonna find a drink and probably go to Walt Disney Presents because Ryder loves it. And we're gonna go to Baseline Tap House on the way. So Ray is getting a margarita. I didn't really want a margarita or the California Sunset, so I'm gonna just take a sip of his margarita. And that's it. So 5:30, and we're going now to Ryder's favorite part of the park, Walt Disney Presents. And then look, it's the Disney Wish, Ryder. We've been on there. But Ryder wants to see the show, so we're gonna go do it. He loves it. I love that he loves Disney memorabilia. It's great. And if you didn't believe me that Ryder loves this movie, we're in the front row. Right? You love this?
Yeah.
You love learning about Walt Disney?
Yes.
Yes. So that was fun. I haven't seen that movie from Walt Disney Presents in a long time. It was really good. Ryder loves it. If I believed in reincarnation, I believe this would be Walt Disney, but he just loves it, and it's really good. So if you don't know the history of Walt Disney, it's definitely worth watching at least once. And now we're in line for Slinky Dog Dash. Our lightning lane was for 5:50. It's 6:07. So the standby was 135 minutes. So yeah, Genie Plus was money well spent today. So I'm just shooting on my iPhone right now. But Slinky Dog Dash was great. Now we're headed to another lightning lane that I grabbed for Toy Story Mania. The Genie Plus was awesome today, and I've been getting them. You just have to, unfortunately, have to be on your phone a lot. But going to Toy Story Mania right now. So 90-minute wait. Yeah. So I don't think we've ever been on this side. Usually we go up and above, but we're on a different track. We never go on this side. This is the first time we've ever been on this side. I think this, like I said, this is like the third track, I think. So Ray and I are eating at ABC Commissary, but Ryder didn't like anything. He doesn't like deli meats. So they had a grilled ham and cheese. They didn't want the ham. So now I'm trying to pick up his grilled cheese at Woody's lunchbox, and then I'm gonna bring it over to them at ABC Commissary. Ryder is eating his Woody lunchbox grilled cheese. How is it? How is it? And then we came to ABC Commissary. This is the gluten-free chicken salad, and then we got pork tacos. Pork tacos. And then that's a watermelon margarita. And evidently, while I was picking up Woody's lunchbox, he got a Num Num cookie and a churro. I got him apple slices, but obviously he's not going to be eating these anymore. Okay, so dinner at ABC Commissary was great. Ryder didn't want to eat his dinner because Daddy got him a churro and a Nom Nom cookie, but he ate it anyway, and now Daddy's eating a Nom Nom cookie. But it was good. The Mediterranean chicken salad was very good. You know, I won't say it was healthy, but it was lighter. The margarita was no. Go get it. Go to Baseline Tap House and walk over. Okay, so we're like 5 minutes late, which there's the 15-minute grace period, and standby is 65 minutes. I'm telling you, the lines have been crazy today. So we got 2 things of the coaxium, which is good. Ryder and I were gunners. Ray was a pilot, and then we let the single rider be the pilot as well, because we've been a pilot, been in a ride with Ryder as a pilot, and it's not fun. So it's 8 o'clock now. We are at Star Tours. We wanted to go on. We were going to go to Rock and Roller Coaster after this, but it has been down, so I don't think we're going to be able to get in it unless it comes back up, but I don't think it's going to come back up. The park's only open for another hour, so we'll see. But otherwise, we're going to ride Star Tours. and then maybe get in line for Tower of Terror and hopefully go to Fantasmic because it's 9:30 at night tonight. We've made Ryder Yoda in the hopes he'll be the rebel spy. So as you can see, all the holiday decorations are up at Hollywood Studios. We will be back in 2 days for Jollywood Nights. Our Jollywood Nights video is probably already up, but this is actually Thursday, November 9th. Okay, we came over to Rock and Roller Coaster. On the app it says it's still down, but it looks like it's up. So it says 65 minutes and we're gonna go on it. So we got in line for Tower of Terror. It's 8:52. So probably maybe won't make Fantasmic, but at least we're in line for Tower of Terror. We'll get one last ride in tonight.
We just got soaked. We now know why the seats were empty. And we got soaked.
Some imagination, huh?
Okay, so obviously I'm back at our resort. Great day. Getting the Genie Plus and stacking throughout the day has been just, yes, it's more money, but we budget for it. We don't do the sit down dinners, but it allows us to relax in the morning, sleep in. Ray goes to the gym, I don't, but I get my coffee, I can do my makeup, relax, I get on my computer. Ryder gets to play the games, do whatever. They went to community hall, but it allows us to relax. And then we get to the parks around 2 or 3, depending on the day, and it feels more like a vacation. Like, I'm tired tonight, but I'm not exhausted. So I think that really makes the difference. So I know it's not for everybody to play the Genie Plus, but it really makes a difference. Tomorrow we're going to Epcot. I will be paying it again and getting it because we want to make the day easier. And again, tomorrow is going to be a late afternoon, and then we'll go and we're going to close the park again because I want to watch the fireworks there. I think it's Epcot Forever right now. So yeah, that is it. But it was a great day. You know, fortunately Rock and Roller Coaster came back up, so when we got there it had just come back up, so we were able to go through that line pretty quickly and then get in line for Tower of Terror. And we got out and pretty much ran straight to the second showing of Fantasmic and got a front row seat, which we've sat before, but not in a section that he did. And it was completely empty, the section behind us. And Ryder, I was like, do you want to go a little bit further back? He's like, no, I want to sit in the front. And there was a point where we got soaked. But yeah, I guess that's probably why no one was sitting there. But with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.